Hi guys, today I'm talking about the IGK, the Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray. Hi guys, today I'm talking about the IGK, the Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray, and also be showing you how I like to use it. So guys, first things first, I would say this hairspray is an absolute blessing for people like me who have like these like really flat, you can see my hair are so thin and flat and straight, like giving them volume and especially over the crown and making my curls stay. Whenever I do curls with a curling iron is always a challenge, and that's why I kind of like the spray because this has excellent hold, can give you like instant like lift, not only at the crown area, you can use it at the roots, you can use it like on the lens with your waves, and of course the main purpose why it's like popular is to give those beachy waves to you. Now for like people like me who have like really flat hair, beachy waves don't really stay, so I never go for those. I would just go for like soft curls, maybe a little bit of waves, or like tight curls, and I use this one primarily on the length. But guys, you can, like people with like little wavy hair, I would say this works very well if you just like use it like make sections, partitions, and then spray it on the roots, and then you just massage and like give them some definition. I think that also looks very good. Using this is absolutely simple. You just hold it at a distance of 10 to 12 inches away from your head and spray it, and like just like give slight massage so that it spreads nicely. So it's pretty universal guys, because you can use it like for so many different hairdos, and you can also use it when you're trying to make those like high ponies, if you want like a little bit of volume hair, because that's always a challenge. The high ponies don't stay. I also like the fact that this does not have salt. This is a salt-free formula, and I also like the fact that this has glycerin. So because a lot of sprays become very drying for the hair, especially the ones with extra good hold. So this is that one hairspray which has excellent hold, but because I think this has glycerin, this is like not drying for the hair. Smells amazing, has this of course like the spray kind of mechanism, easy to use. Yeah, so if you're someone who likes to have fun with your hair and you like to carry them differently on certain occasions, and yeah, you're looking for a salt-free hairspray which is amazingly smelling, then try the IGK Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray.